Hi students, I wanted to show you how to do this activity. It says write 5 sentences. So you can click on it here, or you can go here to classwork and you can see week 3, April 19th to 22nd. So you can go here and click on it, and then I can go to view assignment. Okay, oops, sorry, I made a mistake there. And now you need to it says write 5 sentences to answer these questions about a holiday. And right here it says write 5 sentences to answer these questions. Take a picture on your phone so you can write them in your notebook. Take a picture on your phone and share with me in WhatsApp. Or you can write on the document that is attached. Watch this video to see what I do. Make sure you come back to this assignment and turn in. So it must be turned in after. So question number 1, what holiday do you celebrate? Easter or Ramadan or other? So you're going to write your answer in your notebook if you want. Number 2, when do you celebrate it? So then you can answer the question, I celebrate it like in April or whenever, whatever day. What do you eat? So answer that question. Number 4, where do you celebrate? Number 5, how do you celebrate? Now I can do that in the notebook, or I can click here, and this is the document if I want to write it on my computer. So it's got the same questions, and then it's got space here for you to write your answers. So what holiday do you celebrate? I can click here and I can say I celebrate Easter or something else. Okay, scroll down here. When do you celebrate it? So I'm going to just click under the 2. I celebrate it this weekend on Sunday. Okay, then what do you eat? So we eat, and then you guys can finish that sentence. Where do you celebrate? Okay, so I celebrate maybe in my home with my family. And then how do you celebrate? Okay, so we eat a big meal together, and we also maybe the kids look for chocolates, something like that. Now when I'm done answering, I can turn in here, turn in. And then it asks me, do you want to turn in? Yes, I want to turn in. And now I can see that it says it's turned in. And now I want to just check. I can go up here. I can click on classwork. I can click view my work. And look, I can see that I turned it in. So that's how you do this activity. Now I'll just go back to the main page.